Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the code on the Weiser SmartCode 10 in 2026. So as you can see, I have this Weiser SmartCode 10 lock available to me. But before programming it, you just have to keep the door open and unlock. After doing so, you need to simply remove the battery compartment, and inside the battery compartment, you will find a program button location. So you need to simply press the program button once. After that, the keypad should light up or beep, confirming that the lock entered into the programming mode successfully. Now, once you have done that, you need to start entering your new 4 to 8 digit pin code right away. Now, when you are done adding it, you just have to simply press the Weiser button, or if you have a lock button, you need to simply press the lock button in order to save that. If it is successful, the lock should flash green light. This particular button will flash green light, and it will also beep depending on the SmartCode 10 model that you have. So once it is done, it simply means that you have successfully changed the code on the Weiser SmartCode 10 lock. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.